Welcome back, guys. It's the Tightwaddiy, and today I'm going to show you how to extend your gutters so that you don't have water issues on your foundation. Here's the issue I'm solving today. We have my gutter that comes down to a downspout right here, and I've got this other gutter extension that I previously used, but you can see it broke. So there's not great UV protection in this type of piping, and you can also see that it is full of different types of leaves and pollinators from oak trees that I have around my property. So today we're getting rid of this and we're going to replace it with something that hopefully will last a little bit longer. But for today, I'm just using this adapter, and I purchased this at Home Depot, and it just slides over your existing drain pipe. So this extends out like this, like an accordion, and then I can connect it to the new style drain pipe that I just purchased. The bottom of this piece is made to go straight into corrugated drain pipe, but I had to buy this adapter because the end of the coupling that I'm using is the exact same diameter. I purchased this adapter as well that'll go into the flat pipe, and that should stick into the coupling. With all of that in place, with 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, we've now extended out, and I'll show you how it lands at the edge of my bed. So now I've provided a smooth way for the water to flow down and flow through this flat pipe that's going to look better once I put down fresh pine straw this year. It terminates right before the edge of my grass, so it's not going to interfere with the mower or when I run my edger down between the straw and the grass here. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. It'd be awesome if you'd click that logo in the bottom left-hand corner to subscribe to my channel, and maybe even check out one of my other videos shown on the right. As always, I hope you guys have a great day.